Wicklow played with the aid of the breeze in the opening half and took just 3 minutes to score the game's first goal. Pádraig O'Toole's run created an opportunity for Dara Fitzgerald. His shot rattled the crossbar, but Owen Darcy followed up to register his side's first score. Laois responded instantly with a goal of their own. Evan O'Carroll's probing ball eventually found its way to Gary Walsh, who rifled the ball to the back of the net. By the 8th minute, Wicklow had their second goal, with midfielder Pádraig O'Toole providing a neat finish to send the hosts 2 goals to 1-1 in front. Their lead was 2-4 to 1-2 by the 21st minute, but Laois then struck through Sean O'Flynn to narrow the gap to 2 points. Mark Kenny was one of Wicklow's standout forwards in the first half, and he kicked his 4th point in the 26th minute to give the hosts a 2-7 to 2-2 advantage. The gap extended to 10 points by the half-hour mark, with Kenny helping set up full forward Kevin Quinn to score their 3rd goal of the encounter. 3-11 to 2-3 in front of the break, Wicklow continued in a similar vein after half-time, with Kevin Quinn netting his 2nd goal in the 39th minute after weaving his way past a number of Laois defenders. Quinn completed his hat-trick in the 46th minute to put Wicklow 5-13 to 2-6 in front, but Laois replied with a goal of their own in the next attack through Patrick O'Sullivan to narrow the margin once again. The visitors lost Evan O'Carroll to a black card with 15 minutes to go, but did close the gap to 9.7 minutes from time when Gary Walsh hit their 4th goal of the afternoon. 2 minutes later, Wicklow survived a goalmouth scramble, after which Walsh was sent off after referee Fergal Kelly consulted with his umpires before brandishing a red card. Wicklow too had finished the game with 14 players after fullback Patrick O'Keane picked up a 2nd yellow card in stoppage time, but the hosts hung on to win by 6 points as they advanced to a quarter-final meeting with Meath next weekend. It finished Wicklow 5-15, Laois 4-12.